Got a package from Ellen Lang. It's an at-home retexturizing facial peel. 3 steps to spa-like quality skin in the comfort of your own home. It comes with the prep, the peel pads, and the actual peel with this little brush to put it on your skin. And this gives you the most glowing skin you've ever had in the comfort of your own home. Did I say that already? So what is a facial peel anyway? It's a supercharged exfoliation system for your skin, and it's going to bring out the skin texture from within and give you the softest, most glowy skin you've ever seen. First stage is to use the peel prep. That's step number 1. We're going to use it on damp skin. So I'm going to take just a little bit, kind of like a jelly, and we're going to slowly rub this around in a circular motion. This is going to get our skin ready for the other 2 stages of this peel. There are little micro beads in here that are sloughing off all of the dead skin. Now I'm going to rinse this off with a damp cloth. Okay, now that that's all wiped off, we're going to go to step 2. Okay, next is the accelerator pad. This is a thin peel prep, and this we just rub it along our face and get our skin all ready for the peel. Just make sure you don't get it near your eyes. Just letting that absorb into my skin. And finally, we pump 1 teaspoonful of this peel into this little cup. And then this is the peel. With the little brush, I'm going to gently and in a thin little bit just brush this over my skin. I'll be back. Now the cool thing about this is that peel starts to foam up, and you leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and once it does, you start massaging it into your skin and then leave it for another 45 minutes. Not 45, 4 to 5. It's working. You will not believe how amazing your skin feels after this process. You can't believe it unless you try it. My skin is so soft and tight and hydrated and glowing. This is as good, if not better, than going to a spa and having this done. But you can do it in the comfort of your own home. You can find this product at ellenlang.com or on Amazon. Go get it. This is no makeup. And my skin, I am just blown away by how good my skin feels. Check out ellenlang.com and go get yourself one of these. It's remarkable. Oh, remarkable.